Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Molly Monet. Alright, let's get into it. So today I'm making a natural hair mask from all natural ingredients. Not all natural. I got mayonnaise, but all these ingredients are household ingredients. So as you can see, I have an egg, avocado, mayo, olive oil, honey, etc. So as you see, I am mixing all of these items together. I did mess up because, as you see, fast forwarding in a few seconds, I did not mash my avocado first. I do recommend that you completely mash your avocado first and make it really smooth because I had a few chunks. However, the mix was pretty much done, so I just kept it moving. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is my hair. It is extremely dry. It is in need of some saving. So what I have a towel. This is just water. It's just a spray bottle with water in it to wet my hair. I have a hair tie. You just gonna stare?
My bad.
I mean, I'm gonna stare though. Hair tie. I have a grocery bag. I'll explain why. I have a grocery bag, and then I have a do-rag and have a bonnet. I'm gonna explain why at the end, but those are necessities. I don't have a comb or anything because I'm not combing. I'm just putting stuff in my hair. This is my mix. I put it in the refrigerator when I was done, so that while I was like running around and getting stuff or grabbing stuff, that it wouldn't get hot. This is not one that you can use like a heat cap on because, or like blow dry your hair with, or whatever it is, steam your hair with because of the eggs. But I do put a wrap on my head. I have done an egg mask before. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna be putting it in my hair, let you guys watch. I am just gonna use my hands to put this on. Just wash your hands afterwards. If you want to use gloves, you can. This is all stuff you put in your body, so you don't necessarily need gloves, but if you want them, knock yourself out. Alright guys, so bear with me. The first thing I did was just pick out how much hair I want to work with first, and I want to wet that section really good and just hydrate my hair. I mean, I don't want it drenched, but I definitely want it damp enough that it has some type of moisture, because you know water moisturizes your hair. And what I'm going to do is just take the product and finger comb it through my hair. I would not use a regular comb. I just want to make sure that it's really in there. And I did it around my whole head. I really make sure that it got on my scalp too. I am not completely knowledgeable about natural hair. I do not know everything, so if I'm doing that wrong, I apologize, but I'm just experimenting and seeing what works best on my type for hair. As you can see, it really hydrated my hair. As you can see, my coils are coming back. And you can take your time and work through sections. It looks like it's going pretty fast, but it really did take me a long time. I watched a whole video assignment and started watching, I think I was watching Miss Kim's Convenience or Mr. Kim's Convenience on Netflix. So trust me, it took me a while and I really was working the product through my hair. Yeah, it was just really hydrating, and I made sure I got my baby hairs too. I got all over my head. One thing that's really important, like I said earlier, make sure that you completely blend that avocado, because I don't know what I was thinking and I kind of mashed it towards the end. The reason I didn't go back and completely blend it is because I had egg and I didn't know if it was going to turn into whipped cream. I'm not a baker. I don't know how that goes. Oh yeah. Okay. Take it. Just tie it. Oh, my light went out because my thing died. Sorry. That light did nothing, but I have a bag on. I tied it in the back. I'm not gonna do the do-rag. I don't feel like doing all that. So just take this beautiful thing. Alright guys, so it's been about, I don't even know how long it's been. A long time. So I'm gonna wash this out because this has been a very long time. My wash, I just got the rest of this unjacketed shampoo and then some TGIN wash conditioner and detangler. Alright, so this is my first time seeing my hair since I put the mask in. I don't know why, but I do have a habit of smelling stuff. So of course I smelled the bag and it was not that pleasant, but stay tuned. My hair is super hydrated and my hair is so coily. Like my coils were popping, you guys, and I was so surprised. I'll let you guys see when I was done washing it as well to see how my coils looked, but just super, super coily. Alright, y'all. This is my hair. The coils are moisturized, honey. Sorry that my light is so bright. The coils moisturized. I would definitely do this mask again. I have no product in my hair at all. Alright guys, I was so tired after this. I apologize that I did not do a spectacular like protective style, twist out or braid out. Honestly, I just do my hair in some twists, like a little pin up, and it got me through the next couple of days. I was just tired, y'all, and I really had to wash my hair a lot to make sure that the avocado was out. So please heed my warning about mixing your avocado first. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this is beneficial. I hope it works for your type for hair. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for more videos.